back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. Very, very simple today. We're going to make some wasabi mayonnaise. And it just literally is mixing some wasabi with some mayo. Here I've got some mayonnaise there. You know, you want quite, like a sort of 5-6 to 1 of mayonnaise to the wasabi. And you can use wasabi powder, which is here, or like a paste, which I've got here. So I'm just going to use the paste today. And you can put in kind of how much you want, really. Now with wasabi, generally, I'll try that amount. You're not actually eating wasabi. A lot of you may know this, but some may not. Wasabi is incredibly expensive. So what you usually eat, unless you're getting it the fresh root and you're seeing them grate that in front of you, you're generally eating horseradish or a mixture of horseradish and mustard. And then it's put some green colour into it, and that's what you're getting. So yeah, be aware of that. Just going to mix that in and it's done. Okay, there you go. So that tastes great to me. I mean, like I say, adjust it however you want. You can add a bit more, but great for kind of like tempura or something, dipping in some stuff like that. Delicious. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and we will see you soon. Lots of love.
With thousands of recipes and millions of views, why not subscribe to our channel and join the family?